Layer 3, the Kingdom of Heaven, Ascension.
The path upward. Weightless and wordless, but all is clear, but unnamed. Where you're no longer the observer, but the current itself.
I was never a bird, but I remember how it felt to be a flock of birds. Perhaps I never flew -, but I scattered across the sky.
Birdable edition.
Keeping you behind in our eyes.